Good day traders, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I did another flip of $500 to over $4,500 trading gold, alright, with this simple supply and demand strategy. Okay, as I always do. So guys, let me show you guys how I did it. Okay, so let's go to our chart. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So let's go to the trading view. Let me explain to you guys how I got set up. Okay. So looking at gold from the 4 hours, from the 1 hour time frame. So looking at gold from the 1 hour time frame, we had a demand zone here. Okay, so I explained this one to people on my Telegram channel, how this buy came about. Okay, so we had the demand zone here on 15 minutes time frame. So let me show you guys. So on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this demand zone at this point that lead towards this reconstruction, right? And then the market did what, kept going up. We had this little imbalance below, and then this imbalance also, okay. So the space in between this candle and this next candle here is a little imbalance which we had here from this demand zone, okay. And also this was the exchange zone which the market pulled back to, okay. So the market pulled back to this zone here, and then we were supposed to enter the buy here, but I did not get the buy here. Instead, I waited for the confirmation pattern again. So the confirmation pattern is, let me illustrate it for you guys. So I do use this pattern sometimes if I miss the initial entry. So let's say this is the demand zone and the market went up and pull back, and we're not able to get the entry here. So all I will do is I'll wait for a shift of structure, okay. I'll wait for another break of structure here, and then I'll take my trades to the upside. So basically we'll wait for another break of structure here again to confirm that the market will keep going up for the demand zone, and then we'll enter here. So that is exactly what I did here, okay. So you guys can see, we waited for the break of structure here, and then this is the demand zone. And when markets pull back to this demand zone, I do not enter immediately. Go to the M15 time frame, and then let me show you guys how I got my entry on the 5 minutes time frame. So on the 5 minutes time frame, I also did the confirmation pattern again, so which is confirming the break of this high, okay. Confirming the break of this high from the zone, and then the market did what, pull back to this one zone here. So I entered here, and then the trade is currently running about 1:6 right now, okay. So when market pull back to this demand side, I do not rush to enter because gold now is very volatile. So if you enter here, your stop loss will be big. So I have to go to lower time frame to confirm it using my entry techniques, which is the confirmation pattern. And then let me show you guys the entry as entry 5. So you can see it's exactly the same entry, and then no single drawdown from there, okay. No single drawdown, and then the trade is running over $4,000 right now. So let's close all this trade now. boom, you are close at 4,135.99 USD. Okay, so this is how we do it, guys. It's super easy. All you need is the skill and the right knowledge. Okay, so if this is your first time watching this channel, I'd like to smash the subscribe button and comment. See you guys on my next video. Thanks. And also the link to my Telegram channel will be dropping it on the comment section and also on the description, so you can join and then you start trading and making money daily. Alright, thanks.